bird feeder. Listen craft name. The pencil, razor, glue, scissors, cardboard and color papers. Let's start. What's the name of this day? Let's start from here. Ta-da! Let's start this side. Cut. Two sheets. Let's add it to glue. First, match it like that on cardboard and also color papers. Let's match it either with purple one. Let's turn the paste and glue and cut. Very properly and look very properly there. Now cut the paste. We need dry. Let's put that here. Start another one. Like I tell this. First take the glue and strip and stick. 2 minutes is already done. Let's put right here. Also this few minutes. Let's add this cardboard and stick and glue it. Finish and place. Okay, it's next step. Then let's do the stylish cut with pencil like this. This cut. Okay, girl, I am. Yes, I know. Now set is ready. Time to stick right here. Is best. Time to stick a knife line and cutting like a triangle. Line is done. Let's stick. Ta-da! Bird feeder disease. Name is the fruit. This is the fruit. Let's put inside. But how is hold inside? Door is very closer. Look. Fruit. Bird can put egg and also sit. So cool. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye. Thumb up when you like.